Good job. Good job, Stitchy. Liam, no, don't put it down. What do you think is going to happen? Save your tiger. Get your tiger. Stitch is going to eat him. Don't let Stitchy eat your tiger. Yeah, good boy. Rena, go get him. Go get the baby, Rena. Go get the baby. Go get Liam. Go get him. Go get the baby. What are you doing? Oh my. Liam, don't forget your tiger. Oh, that's cute.